With IMTF Trade. Today, we're going to go through last week's TNT. We started doing this process a couple of weeks ago. We're going to keep on doing this. We typically do this around Sunday, around lunchtime, but got a little delay today. But anyways, let's go through and look at the weekly TNT list. If you don't know what a TNT is, it's simple. It's a black bar, okay? That's all it is. When you get a black bar last week, it tells you something can happen this week. And that's really what you want to see. We want to show you how powerful that black bar is. So week to week, we review all the results of the TNTs that were printed and our trading opportunities for that week for trading. So here's all the opportunities from last week that we had. This is right here. If you look at our chart right here on the side, these are weekly TNT list here for US stocks and currencies. We'll also go for Indian stocks and also Europe and London stocks too today, okay? So we want to show you how powerful it is. This is a weekly time frame. We're going to keep this simple to the weekly. How do we know whether to buy or sell? It's simple. This shade here. If the shade is red, we're going to buy a couple of points below this black bar TNT. If it's a green shade, we're going to buy a couple of points above that TNT high. That's as simple as that. We sell with red, we buy with green. That's it. If there's no shade, no opportunities at all. There was a huge list of opportunities for last week. However, there were not many with a shade at all. So we're only going to show you the opportunities that had a shade and show you the results, and we're going to count up exactly what happened. So let's begin. Here's the pound USD here. You could see it has a red shade. You would sell a couple of points below right there. And you could see at the end of the week, this was a loss. Of course, with money management, you could keep this to break even, but we're going to think worst case scenario and declare this as a loss. So now we have one loss. Here's next stock. Here, this broke below the TNT, was profitable at the end of the week. This is one winner. Here, this is a red shade, never broke the low at all the TNT, no trade. So 1 and 1 right now. Here, this is a red shade here, broke the low here. So this was entry here, but ended up closing up here at the end of the week. So that's 2 losing trades now. So 1 and 2. Here's another bearish trade here. This broke the low here. It was profitable. So now we're 2 and 2. Here, never broke the low at all. So no trade. These you could see are all bearish opportunities here. So you could see a lot of the market was biased more towards the bearish side last week, and you could see exactly what happened with these opportunities. Here, this broke the low, was not profitable. So we're basically 1 and 3. Over here, we broke the low, that's 1 and 4. Broke the low, we're profitable, so that's 2 and 4. Didn't break the low. Broke the low here, we're profitable, that's 3 and 4. Broke the low here, profitable, 4 and 4. Broke the low here, 5 and 4. 6 of 4. 7 of 4. 8 of 4. 9 of 4. 10 of 4. 11 of 4. 12 of 4. 13 of 4. This was barely entered. We'll go ahead and just declare it a loss. So this is 12 of 5. This is 13 of 5. This is 14 of 5. 16 of 5. 17 of 5. This is a bullish trade here, was profitable. That's 18 of 5. This here never entered. Here did it enter, so that was 17 of 6 now. This is a loss here, so 17 of 7. This is a winner, so that's 18 of 7. 19 of 7, and 20 of 7. So if I counted this correctly, hopefully I did, this was basically 20 winners and 7 losses. Now remember, there was no money management applied at all. This is worst case scenario. So if you apply money management, what will happen is these 7 losers can go down. But this is not bad at all, considering how the markets were last week. And you could see week by week, we're profitable. In fact, last week, we didn't have any losers at all. So this is the US side right here. Now let's go for Europe and India stocks, and let's apply this to another market. So we're going to first start going for the Indian stock market. There's not many at all. This is a green shade here, barely entered, but we're going to actually, that didn't enter here. So that didn't enter at all. This is 110. This here is a loss, so 101. No entry. This is a loss, 102. No entry. This is a loss, 103. No entry. This is a loss, 104. This is 204. No entry. This is entry here, so 205. This here is a winner, so that's 3 of 5. So for the Indian stock market here, actually there's more, sorry. 3 of 5, that's 4 of 5. Here, this is a little lot that didn't even enter because that's the spread. No entry here. This is 6 of 5. Sorry, 5 of 5. I think that was 5 of 5. Okay. This is a loss here. So that's 5 of 6. That's no. That's loss here. Let me go through and just count them again. So just to make sure. This is the spread. That's 1. That's 1 of 1. That's 1 of 2. That's 1 of 3. 1 of 4. That's 2 of 4. That's about 2 of 5. That's 3 of 5. That's 4 of 5. That's 3 of 5. That's 4 of 5. That's 4 of 6. That's 5 of 6. Here. And that's 6 of 6. So you could see here, if you look at here, all the global markets, this is India, Europe, and UK, this was 6 of 6. This is not bad at all. And remember, we have not applied anything at all, no optimization, no money management, nothing at all. So this gives you a result of what's going on here. So there's a lot of things that in our program that we'll sit there and teach you how you could even eliminate these losses more. And then we also incorporate a lot of money management where we're looking for 3 to 1 on all of our trades. So this is the results here for this week. Not bad at all if you look at the results. On the international front, we had 6 winners, 6 losers. And then on the US side here, if you look here, we had 20 winners and 7 losers. That's not bad at all. If you guys have any questions, you could feel free to email us at info@eiicapital.com. Please like and share this video across to all your friends. We really want to sit there and grow the community. So please like and share this to anyone you like.